Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the process of how to participate in FlowerTune LLM Leaderboard. The FlowerTune LLM Leaderboard is a Flower initiative that ranks LLMs which have been fine-tuned on distributed data using Flower. We aim to make the federated LLM fine-tuning more democratic, personalized, and specialized. If you go to our website of this initiative, flower.ai/benchmarks/LM leaderboard, you will see this page. So let's scroll down a little bit. You will see there's 3 panels here: how to participate, rules, and FAQs. So now let's take a look to the how to participate session. There are only 4 required steps to join this leaderboard. At the first step, you can join Slack and say hi in the FlowerTune LLM Leaderboard channel, where Flower team can be aware that you are interested in this activity and can also offer helps if you have any questions. And then we can go to the challenge board and select a preferred challenge. Currently, we provide 4 challenges, which are general NLP, finance, medical, and code. If you want to learn more about a specific challenge, just click the icon. For example, we go for the finance one. You will see a sub-page for this challenge, starting with the current status of this leaderboard and a participate button below, as well as a brief introduction of this challenge. So now let's click the participate button, which will direct us to our GitHub repo. So it shows how to start your own project. So now let's see some details of this instruction. To create a new project, as the first step, please register for a Flower account, which will be used for this leaderboard submission. And then create a Python environment and install Flower. After that, you can run Flower new commands in the new environment by selecting the framework to FlowerTune. And then you will see that this command will generate a directory with the following structure. So let's try with this. So here is a new Python environment with Flower installed. So now let's run Flower new framework equal to FlowerTune. Yeah, and then you first need to give the app or project name. So we will use the general NLP challenge as example. So let's just give a name NLP. After that, you need to provide your Flower username. And then you will choose which challenge you will go for. So NLP, general NLP is number 2. Let's type number 2. And after that, yeah, the new folder is created. And here's also some hints that you can follow to run your own project. Alright, let's check out what the new generated folder look like. So let's cd to the NLP folder, and you will see there are 3 items: the README and another NLP folder, which is just a name that we gave. It contains all Python files, and the final one is the pyproject.taml file, which is used to define all required dependencies and configs. If we open the TAML file, you will see, so this session, we define all required dependency. And if we go down a little bit, you will see a long list here under the config session, which is used to define all required configs for the experiments. And just feel free to change any of them and this entry to fit your own project. But just note that there's 2 stuff that we're not allowed to modify for fair computation. So one is the settings under the config, the static config, and the other thing is the number of supernodes here we defined under the federation entry. So let's also take a look to the code folder. And you can see there's a couple of Python files. So this can serve as a starting point to build up your own federated LLM fine-tuning method. So now let's go back to the website. After creating the template code, as second step, you can start working on your own method on top of that, and then using FlowerRun command to run your experiments. After you finish the implementation, the next step is to evaluate your fine-tuned model. We provide specific evaluation metrics for each challenge. So now let's check out the details in our GitHub repo. As you can see, we have separate directories for different challenges. Just navigate to the corresponding directories based on your selected challenge, and then follow the instructions there to run the evaluation. And in this repository, we also provide the baseline performance for each challenge. So just check out these numbers here to see the lower bound of the LLM leaderboard. If you believe that your proposed method can exceed the baselines or other submissions in the current leaderboard, now it's time to go to the final step to submit your project. Here we provide a Google form for the submission. So now let's check it out. In the Google form, there's a list of required information that you need to provide it to make the submission. So first is the email address, and then the Flower username, and also the team name that will be shown on the leaderboard, and affiliations, the challenge that you selected, and the test performance given the evaluation metrics. We also require you to upload your code to a public GitHub repo and provide a link here, and also the link of your tested checkpoint, followed by the number of parameters of your used LLM-based model embedding, and also the communication workload in gigabytes. And the last thing is the hardware that you use for your training. That's it. Alright, after you make the submission, you will receive a confirmation email, and we will evaluate your code and model. After that, you can see your submissions on the leaderboard. We are looking forward to your participation.